G'day everybody and welcome to 2022. Happy New Year and welcome to the first Rot Ride. As always, we start our rides in the township of Richmond. And behind me in the background is the Richmond Bridge, which is Australia's oldest bridge. It was built by convicts in, I think it was started in 1822. The plaque on the bridge says 1823, but I believe it wasn't finished until 1824. And the stones were quarried locally from Bonnet Hill, which is about 2 kilometres up the road, and they were ferried here by handcart, of course, using convict labour. It's a very beautiful bridge, very picturesque town, Richmond, nestled in the Coal River Valley in Tasmania, about 30 minutes out of Hobart. You know, they did it pretty tough, the old convicts, and there's a lot of convict history in Tasmania, including me. While my father's side were free settling Europeans from, that came here in the 1950s. My mother's side was a different story. And of my 3 great-great-great-grandparents, of my 4 great-great-great-grandparents, 3 of them were convicts, including a lady called Mary Toadland, who did her time here in Tasmania in the women's factory in Hobart. And she went on and married another convict on the mainland. Anyway, yeah, that's a little bit of my checkered past. Have a look at the Richmond Bridge. If you ever come to Tasmania, come and have a look at the bridge. Let's go and catch up with the boys now, because I'm actually running a little bit late and I need to get my finger out. There's a rubber shortage.
Oh, is it?
Worldwide rubber shortage.
There's a shortage of lots of things.
Yes. Shit paper for one. Gosh almighty, why is that happening again? Or is it a supply issue?
I don't know.
Apparently the excuses we're hearing now is that everyone's getting COVID and there's no one to drive the trucks.
Yeah, that's right, everyone's sick with COVID.
Yeah. I'm on holiday, so that's why no one can drive my trucks, either of them. At the end of the day.
Morning darling.
Morning Mick, morning Mick. Say good morning. Say good morning.
What's going on here?
We'll get a demo. Perhaps I get sore wrists. Yep.
The Pa Boys. How are we?
Mr. G. Oh, we're very good.
Hello, Sudi. You're not a Pa Boy?
No, I'm not a Pa Boy, but I'm close relation to the family.
No, you're not.
Well,
I can see a bit of me in him.
Yeah. Well, fortunately, this one doesn't look like green grass.
A little bit of me.
But the elder one.
Where
does.
is green grass?
Oh, he's here somewhere.
He's it is. Hello, green grass.
Hello there. Hey, fucking less of it.
Yeah.
How are you, mate?
Good, thanks buddy. How are you?
Good.
Make way, very important. Flight coming 900. Make way, make way.
No, I go thinking, would you?
You know what my missus said to a mate of mine?
Oh, she's still around, isn't
She said to me, mate was being a smart ass to her, right? And she goes, just remember, prick, I know how to drive an excavator. There's one down there and I own property.
We have to change it a little bit, I'll tell you straight off the bat. Okay, we're not going via Grasstree Hill, evidently there's a bit of shit on the road. Alright, so...
You mean cyclists?
Oh, sorry, he's here.
You said cyclists wrong.
We're going to go down, follow the road all the way down to... there's a sign that says Police Point, okay, turn left there. Now, when you get on that road, I will tell you, it is a windy bitch. You will love it. It's not dangerously windy, it's just, it'll wake you up. Alright? If you do not want to go down that way, there will be a truck just a little bit further on pouring concrete. Alright, grab a cup.
That'll be the Ulysses. They don't like us very much. I think we're a pack of flaming rat bags. Hello, Jim. How are you, buddy? How are you? Oh, I can't hear you, mate. Fairly boring run down the highway to our first stop at the Margate train. And we've lined all the Euros up. Smiley's bike, Nigel's bike, my bike, Jim's bike, Darren's bike. Oh, Japanese disease. And a line of Euros, Jace, and you go and plop yourself in there.
Yeah, that's it.
So we're going down to Dover today. The sun's come out, it's quite nice. We've had a bit of rain for the last few days, but let's crack on and keep going.
Righto, Nick, come here. You hold that.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Nick and I put our heads together and we came up with the best
With
gift.
the ugliest head on the planet.
No, we came up with the best gift we could think of for Andy.
And what would that be, Dutchie?
This is the ST3 emergency kit. In it contains ironstone roofing paint, the grey, right? There is duct tape and zip ties and a tube of super glue. You're not very appreciative, is he?
Who needs mates? Who needs enemies with mates like these?
There was a lot of thought.
Well,
Well, there was too.
there was 3 phone calls involved in this.
I'm almost grateful. Is it a good match for Senna Grey? That's the.
Yeah, well, pretty close.
If not, we'll just get a bit of white and spray on it.
Yeah,
be close to it,
right. Now, Andy, can you stop filming and turn around, and I will take a photo of you holding your prize.
Thank you, Dutchie.
That's all right, my friend.
Thank you, Bubba.
You're welcome, mate.
All right, I've officially lost my sense of humour. So as you know, the ST3 took a tumble, and probably not going to be able to see that bike now until March. It's currently at the repairers, being pulled apart. Parts are being prices are being sought for the parts required. The parts required on the bike are the windscreen fairing, bracketry, the left-hand mirror, both of the lower fairings, the fuel tank, that had a couple of dents in it that I hadn't picked up on straight away, and the pannier. And then, as you know, we're on our rot ride today, and you might notice I'm here all on my lonesome, with the exception of Dutchy, who's just gone to get me a coffee, because now the 900 has taken a tumble. I've just taken this bit of the windscreen back in, that's all gone, all broken. There, big gouge on top of the tank, scratches on the lower fairing. So I decided to call it a day. It's just unbelievable. Oh, and bent the brake lever as well. The little scratch on the mirror. So what happened? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I had the helmet sitting on the seat. I just bent down, turned the GoPro on, and was stepped beside the bike, putting on my jacket, and it just fell. And it fell on Nigel's Benelli, and fell on the Oggy knob on his frame slider, and caught the windscreen and busted it, and the rest is all gravel rash. So to say that I'm pissed off is a bit of an understatement. So here we go again, another goddamn insurance claim. So they're gonna love me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will be back with more, if I don't run out of bloody bikes, from Andy's Motorcycle Sessions. Bye for now.